The Ferrari F167 V12 flaunts its Roma styling in its prototype form. Could this be one of the last V12s from Ferrari? What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Ferrari has a long history of V12 powered Gran Turismo style vehicles, and the latest and greatest of them all thus far is the 812 Competizione, which is a limited run special edition that also comes with a Targa top. The Competizione is derived from the 812 Superfast. Now think of it as the last hurrah of the 812 series after 2023. Now, Ferrari's latest guidance and business outlook reports doesn't say a word about a long-awaited heir apparent to the 812, yet we know that a brand new breed of V12 powered Gran Turismo is due to launch next year in 2024. Either a 2024 or 2025 model, this is the Ferrari F167. That's its code name so far, and we have the latest spy photos from Gabe TZ Spy Unit, who I will link in the description below so you guys can check out more of his Italian spy photos, because again, he's always the best in the game. Now let's talk about this because the prototype is camouflaged like there's no tomorrow. And obviously it's gifted with Roma-like headlights, taillights, rear diffuser, quad-piped exhaust, and body panels. You could easily mistake the said car for a camouflage Roma had it not been longer with the wheelbase, and obviously, we know that the Roma's already been out. Now, compatible with both front and mid-engine applications, the 8-speed transmission further boasts an electronic locking differential and weighs around 138.5 kilograms wet, as in 305.3 pounds. Also shared with the SF90 series, the dual clutch transaxle was designed in cooperation with the Italian automaker. Now, the prancing horse of Maranello made a name for itself with its high revving V12s, although their days are numbered. But with the changes to the Euro 7 standards, maybe the V12 will stick around. We're not exactly sure which gas guzzling vehicles Ferrari will keep, or if they will be pumping out V6 hybrid supercars going forward. I mean, think about it. The 812 Superfast, for example, is rated at 13 miles per gallon, combined to make that 180 over 100 kilometers, and that's by the Environmental Protection Agency. Now, be that as it may, Ferrari's V12 power vehicles will be offset by the likes of the plug-in hybrid 296 and the SF90. And that's why the naturally aspirated V12 soldiers on, and why the 812's replacement is also packing 12 cylinders arranged in a V. Now, Ferrari closed the order books on the 812 Superfast and 812 GTS in early 2022, and a spokesman confirmed that Ferrari won't reopen orders for these vehicles. So, reading between the lines, Ferrari takes their sweet time testing this successor while turning out Competizione and Competizione A specs. And as you can see, the F167 Grand Tour is expected to pack an excess of 800 PS from the outset. 800 metric ponies, meaning 789 mechanical ones. With that said, rating applied to both the Superfast and GTS. The Competizione and Competizione A twins, on the other hand, both rock 830 PS, 819 horsepower, and 692 newton meters, 510 pound-feet of full chatter, with the red line sitting at 9,500 RPM. So what will we expect from the new V12 F167 that will possibly replace the 812? That is to be seen, but so far, what do you guys think? Will this be one of the last V12 engines from Ferrari as they move to hybrid power V8s and V6s? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.